Strategic thinkers, let's face it, overambition can be the death of a project. Too often we see plans grow beyond reason, setting the stage for failure. But fear not, because today we're unveiling Premortem Analysis that, when paired with insights from ChatGPT, can help you sidestep these pitfalls and turn your ambitious plans into success stories instead. Imagine, if you will, a world where the landscape of decision-making is clear and reliable. No more making guesses or relying on assumptions that lead to high-stakes mistakes. Premortem Analysis empowers you to initiate a systematic, step-by-step approach that can change the game for any complex challenge you face. And the beauty of it? With ChatGPT, we gain real-time, dynamic insights tailored directly to our evolving needs. Here's how it works. We start by clearly defining the objective of the plan. What do we want to achieve, and what does victory look like? This clarity gives us context and direction. Next, we gather an experienced team, 20 relevant stakeholders that might include project managers, engineers, financial analysts, and even local government reps. With their insights collected, we use ChatGPT Live to ponder the unthinkable. What if our plan fails? Each stakeholder identifies potential reasons for failure, from market downturns to supply disruption and regulatory hurdles. Once we've flagged potential pitfalls, we prioritize these scenarios, focusing on those with the highest potential impact. ChatGPT then prompts us step by step to devise robust actions for each vulnerability. Is the market shifting? Diversify locations and adjust your pricing strategy. Worried about contractor shortages? Have backup teams and performance-based incentives ready to go. Legal headaches? Arm yourself with thorough upfront due diligence and stay abreast of regulatory changes. Our strategic tool breaks down the process into manageable phases, from understanding the mission and conducting in-depth analyses to generating varied courses of action, rigorous risk assessments, and final selections. Each stage builds upon the last, turning ambiguity into actionable clarity, and ChatGPT's insights ensure your strategies are flexible and adaptable to real-time conditions. By using this methodological approach, paired with the adaptive power of ChatGPT, you're not only planning for success, but also steering clear of common pitfalls that derail projects across industries. Now, it's your turn, strategic thinkers, to leverage this tool. Like, subscribe, and join the newsletter to stay ahead of the curve, and don't forget to visit my link tree for more resources. Dive deeper with the book AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3 Whopers, and let's energize our strategic thinking. Adapt these strategies to your challenges, and together let's rewrite the playbook on project success.